All right, friends, for this video, you need your math notebook. You're going to need your chart and your pencil. You also are going to need the 2 sheets that the sub gave you for homework. So go ahead and get those. I'm leaving them right there because I'm making the video before she's passed them out. But you will need to get those. So 2 sheets, notebook, chart, pencil. Go get that now. All right, I want you to open up your notebook. We're going to turn and number page 120, 121. Page 120, I want you to title Changing Metric Units. Page 121, we're going to title Helpful Note. So we're going to start with our 121 Helpful Note side first. So make sure you have that written down. All right, on my Helpful Note side, I'm going to write my abbreviations for King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk, because this is going to help me when I'm doing my conversions. All right, so once you have your abbreviations, I want you to write your prefixes. Kilo, hecto, deca, unit, don't mind Emma, deci, centi, milli. Sorry, she's a weirdo. All right, make sure you have all those written down. Now, under units, we're going to write the units that we've been talking about. We've been talking about meter, liter, and gram. So I'm going to write my M for meter, L for liter, and G for gram. And I wrote them under my units because those are my units that we're talking about. So make sure you have that. Okay, so for changing metric units, I'm still going to be doing the same thing we did for customary with when I go large to small. So large to small or horse to fly, I'm going to multiply. If I go from small to large or fly to horse, I will divide, of course. And we're going to do a couple examples in just a second, but I want you to see. So I'm going to start with a large to small. So here I have my units to help me. So when I am going from a large to a small, large to a small, large to a small, large to a small, we said I'm going to what? Large to small, I'm going to multiply. Now, if you think back, this metric system is based on the multiples of 10. So I would multiply by 10 each time. So each little skip or jump would be multiplying by 10. That's why I said in the couple videos that if you are here and you have, say, 4 liters and you're going to milliliters, you're going to skip 1, 2, 3 times. That's why I said put the 1, 2, 3 blanks. And because you're multiplying by 10, instead of going 4 times 10 is 40. 40 times 10, you could just put your zeros. And it would be 4,000. So when we're moving to the right, we're going large to small. We're going to multiply, and we're going to multiply by 10. So make sure you have that written down. Okay, so if I'm going small to large, so now I'm going this way. I'm going from smaller units to larger units. Instead of multiplying, when I go small to large, I what? I divide right there. So instead of multiplying by 10, this time I'm going to divide by 10. And we're just going to do a little example. Let me finish writing divide by 10 for each one. Okay, make sure you have that. Hold on, it's clearing up. Okay, so if I had, I'm going to use my 4 again. If I had 4,000 grams and I wanted to know how many kilograms that is, then I'm going to start at my gram spot, my units right here, and I'm going to divide by 10. Well, I know when I divide by 10, I'm just taking a 0 away. So I'm going to take that away. I'm going to come here and take that one away. Come here and take that one away until I get to kilogram. So all that's left is 4. So 4,000 grams equals 4 kilograms. So that's all we're doing. Adding zeros, taking zeros away. Make sure you have that, and then we're going to do a couple examples on 120, and you're going to do some by yourself. All right, at the top of 120, I want you to go ahead and fill in your abbreviation. King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk, or kilo, hecto, deca, your units, which are meter, liter, and gram, deci, centi, milli. Go ahead and fill that in so that you have it on the page for when you go to do some of your conversions. All right, so the first example we're going to do is 1 kilogram equals blank grams. So I'm going to use my chart up here. If I have a 1 here and I'm going to my grams, so 1, I'm going to go blank, blank, blank. How many grams is that? So 1, blank, 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 1,000. Quick and easy. All right, I'm going to write another one. All right, if I have 8,000 meters, how many kilometers is that? Well, if I have 8,000, that means it's going to stop in my meter spot. So I'm going to do 0, 0, 0, 8,000. I'm going from small to large, fly to horse, divide, of course. So I'm going to divide. So 1, 2, 3, take them away till I get to the kilometer. And that's going to be 8. Now, if you're using your chart, you had 8,000 meters equals blank kilometers. Well, right here, I have meters and kilometers. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So I would still divide by 1,000. So 8,000 divided by 1,000. Well, I can just cross out all those zeros. 8. Same exact thing. All right. I'm going to give you a couple to try on your own. All right. So the first one you're going to do is 3 centimeters equals how many millimeters? Then I'm going to have you to compare some. So you're going to have to see we have 3 meters on one side. We have 200 centimeters on the other side. So you're going to have to make either this side centimeters to match this one or this side meters to match this one. So use your chart up here. Just write your new centimeter answer under here or your new meter answer under here and then compare them. You're going to compare them with the greater than, less than, or equal to sign. And then you'll do the same thing for this one down here. 4 liters, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 7,000 milliliters? Don't just assume you know because, 200 is bigger than 3. 7,000 is bigger than 4. Do the work. You're going to bring these in and we're going to check them on Monday. On these 2 sheets that the sub sent home with you, you're going to be deciding which one is most appropriate from the chart over here, which one of these tools is most appropriate for all of these. Then down here, you're just answering the questions. On this one, we are just going to be comparing, just like we did in the notebook. If you have any questions, post them on Google Classroom all weekend, and I'll be doing some videos also. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday.